In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Notion templates and systems work and how to turn that understanding into something useful that other people will actually want to buy. The first thing to understand is what a Notion creator really does. As a creator, you're not just making pages that look nice. You're building systems that help people organize information, save time, and solve a specific problem. Notion templates can be simple or advanced, but the best ones are clear, practical, and easy to use. Keeping that in mind from the beginning will make every next step much easier. Once you understand that role, the next step is choosing a niche. This means deciding who your template is for. You might focus on students, business owners, personal finance users, or people interested in productivity. The reason this matters is because each group has different needs. A student may want a study planner, while a business user may need a client dashboard. Picking one niche helps you stay focused and create something more valuable instead of trying to make a template for everyone. After that, come up with a template idea that solves a clear problem. This is one of the most important parts of the process. A good template is not just a collection of pages. It should help someone do something better, faster, or with less stress. The clearer the problem, the easier it is for people to understand why your template matters. Next, build the template inside Notion. Use pages, databases, and clear instructions so the system feels intuitive. Try to make the layout clean and easy to navigate. If someone opens the template for the first time, they should be able to understand what each section is for without feeling overwhelmed. Good structure is a big part of what makes a template feel professional. Once the template is built, test everything carefully. Make sure the pages work properly, the databases connect the way you expect, and the instructions are easy to follow. This is also the moment to remove any private or sensitive information. You want the finished product to look polished, safe, and ready for someone else to duplicate and use right away. When everything is ready, list the template for sale. You can place it on a marketplace or sell it through your own store. What matters most is that the listing clearly explains what the template does, who it is for, and what result the buyer can expect. Finally, promote it by sharing tutorials, previews, or walkthroughs. Showing the template in action helps people understand its value and builds trust. The more clearly you demonstrate the benefit, the more likely people are to buy.